It's a busy summer season. It's June, so we're out, have a bite to eat, bump into some old friends. Wow, have a lovely pizza, then into a beach bar for a meet up with some subscribers and a bit of dancing on a fantastic backdrop that's the North Beach of Sunny Beach.
Again. All right.
And Dobra Den.
Dobra Den, everybody.
Yeah, it's Friday night, it's time to go out and party.
Oh yeah, we're going to party tonight. I bought a new fancy dress for the occasion.
Being the end of June, it's extremely hot in the daytime, so you can't do it. You've got to wait for it to cool down.
Yeah, we won't be doing many daytime videos for a little while because it's just exhausting, but lovely and fun when you're on your holiday.
It's okay if you're going to lounge on the beach and dip in the sea, but for trying to do jobs and shopping and that, it's really hot.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll come to the island because we're going to eat before we go off to Fiesta Beach Bar.
Yeah, this is on the way, so we're going to... we've already got the beers on the table, don't want them to warm up, so we're going to head inside.
Yeah, come along everybody. Let's see what we're going to eat tonight.
And a great offer on the beer here. Get the evening rolling.
Can we have for starters the calamari? Thank you. And then about 10 minutes later, can we have caprioso pizza? Thank you very much.
Share the pizza.
Thank you. What's your name?
Antonio.
Antonio. Thank you, Antonio. Kaxi Kashfash. Antonio.
You're welcome, please.
Okay, right, go do that again.
Andrew, wait 2 minutes.
Wait 2
So
minutes.
do it again.
Oh, right, I was paying attention to him.
It'll be cold. What's he doing? Just film. Do that bit again.
Oh. Well, the calamari has arrived now. Oh. And that does smell delicious. So instead of just looking at it, Andrew, come on, let's tuck in. Oh.
Yeah. Well, I took it into my calamari.
Enjoy.
Oh, thank you, Stephan, it's delicious.
Enjoy, delicious, yes, all delicious.
Eat it with your fingers, it's far better.
Yeah.
Oh, that is really nice.
I love a nice bit of calamari.
When we came in, we said, "Is Stephan working here?" And they said, "Oh, he's just started again." And they said, he starts at 7 o'clock. And I was thinking,
Sorry,
we're going to be finished by 7 o'clock and we won't see Stephan. But he's turned up from work early. It's almost like he knew we were going to be here.
and it's distracting me.
Yeah. Oh, when Stephan's here, this makes it difficult. But he's a nice fella.
Oh, well, it's lovely because we've met Stephan for the first time this season outside the island again. What can we expect in the island, Stephan?
Yeah.
What have you all got
Yeah.
on there?
Now, this restaurant is good. Very, very good pizza and so delicious.
It's all delicious.
Yeah, pizza margherita, capricciosa, Hawaii.
What else have we got?
Yeah, I have
Kavama.
yeah shawarma, chicken shawarma, pork shawarma, and shepherd pie.
Oh, if you like shepherd's pie, come and see Stephan at the island.
Chicken, pork,
Smile, look.
pizza, pasta, lovely. Fishing, 11 plate fish. 11 plate. Yeah.
And is it all? It's all delicious.
So delicious, yeah. Food, so delicious food. You're welcome. Customers from England, Scotland, Wales, Rwanda,
Everywhere.
everywhere, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland. You're welcome.
So everybody's welcome here at the island. Come and say hello to Stephan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're welcome.
you're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Stephan.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Wave.
This summer 2026.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, this might sound like we're repeating ourselves, and we are slightly, because last year when we was in the island, before we went to Fiesta Beach Bar party night, we had one of these pizzas, capricciosi with an egg in the middle, and it was absolutely delicious. So we're trying it again this year to see if it's still as good as we remember. So let's tuck in. Let me sample it for you to see if it's as good as last year. Oh, that's really nice. Nice and hot. It is delicious. So come on, Andrew, you get some before I eat it all.
Oh, with my teeth removed, I'm not going to get much of this because I have to eat very, very slowly. Which is why I'm normally having fish. Everywhere we go, I'm normally having fish because I can eat fish, no problem. I've got a month of this and I'll get my lovely new teeth fitted and I'll look like a Hollywood star then.
You
Well,
might.
not quite. I'll just look good when I get my teeth in. Can't wait. But I will be telling all our subscribers about the experience, what it cost getting your teeth done in Bulgaria, which is better value than most of Europe. Very good value here. Imported alcohol is quite expensive in Bulgaria, so always look for the local alternative. There's some great ciders and beers, try them out. After finishing our delicious pizza, we move on up the beach, heading north. And if you're enjoying the video Nitisni Butona, please hit that like button, it really helps us a lot. Thanks very much.
Well, we've made it now to Fiesta Beach Bar, and it promises to be a good evening because they're already playing some good tunes. So join us in here. We're going to get a drink now. Maybe a Sunny Beach Life cocktail. I'm sure there'll be a few of them consumed tonight. Well, we're here now with our lovely subscribers, Les and Denise. And for you eagle-eyed people, I don't know if you'll recognise them from 2 years ago when they come to the opening night of Valhalla nightclub with us. They bought us our first drink, Sunny Beach Life cocktail. Doesn't that look delicious? Cheers.
Cheers.
Nostravi, you two. Nostravi. Oh, that's strong. I won't need many of them.
It's only for filming purposes anyway.
Oh, yeah, very much.
There's a question there. What's the cat's name?
Oh, yeah. Are you named? Yeah.
Cheaper.
Yeah.
It's like cheap. It's like
The night just got better as more people popped along throughout the evening and joined
that's
in.
A popular little.
It's great with
hotel.
someone we've never met before.
That was our
I've been watching the films and decided to go and actually meet us in person. Have a bit of a chat, find out what we're all about.
Can't wait for the sunset.
Oh, what did you up? It's good, isn't it? It's €1. Yeah. Really?
Yes,
And I've got a little shop for this store. And I've got a little shop for this store.
Show your Snapchat. I know.
You go, girlfriend. You've got to move. I'll give you a call. Well done.
You did amazing. Thank you so much.
Oh, that was so good.
Oh wow, we're going to finish now from the Fiesta Beach Bar.
It's 1:10 in the morning. Can you believe that?
The final subscribers have finally left, so we
Yeah.
can go home.
Ciao, ciao, Ian and Jeanette. See you soon.
But they've had a great time, bit of dancing, loads of chat.
Yeah.
Really good social evening tonight. So if you're in Sunny Beach on your holiday this year, keep an eye on the Facebook. Maybe you can come to one of our evenings.
Because they are fun, everybody. They are absolutely brilliant.
Yeah. So it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.
See you again later.
Bye. The season's in full swing now and it is great. It's lovely to go have a bit of a dance with some of our subscribers. Amazing. So if you don't want to miss anything, subscribe so you can see all our films 2026 season. Thanks a lot.